Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is HAIRSTYLE. For my returning subscribers, you are welcome, and for my new subscribers, you are welcome. And for you watching my video for the first time, everybody is welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I turn this to this, the one on the screen right now. How I change this hair to the one on your screen right now. So they call it TikTok trend, TikTok hairstyle trend, or TikTok stuff. So guys, so now I'm going to go and weave my hair to the back. I will lose this one on my head, this one. So after losing it, I will weave my hair to the back. So I'm going to go and lose it. I'll do some weaving. After doing the weaving, I'll come back here and show you how the weaving looks like. Then I'll start inserting whatever that is going to be inside. So what I'm going to be using is this. I have this funky hair at home, so I just think maybe I should do this video. Like, it's really trendy, people are doing it, so I want to show you my subscribers how I can really achieve it, making it for my own hair. So this is it. This is kinky, darling, kinky, funky. They call it a lot of names, kinky. So this is what I'll be using for the video. So now let me just go ahead and weave this hair to the back. I will be the one weaving it to the back and doing some styles at the front, weaving it to the back, and then I'll show you. I will start the video properly. So guys, now you can see that I'm almost done fixing the hair. Like, I'm almost done weaving my hair to the back. So I just want to show you the evidence that I'm the one that weave this hair to the back. So this is what I do. And you can actually make this style everything should be all back, because I don't have front hair. That's why I actually did it. Like, that's why I actually chose this style, making two at the front and weaving the rest to the back. And now you can see the remaining hand, I try to fix it in between the hair, and you can see that there's no any hair drawing at the back. I fix everything in between the hair. Like, after I've made one, the one that is on ground, I'll fix it into the one I'm just making. I don't understand, is a style as if you want to actually make a you want to fix ribbon on your head. You know how this hairdresser fix those hair in between each other. So this is the kinky I'll be using. Now I'll first divide it into two. Yes, so I divide it into two equal parts. So I will then again bend it again. After dividing it into two equal parts, I will divide it again. Like, I will bend it again and divide it into another two equal parts, making 4 parts like this. So after cutting into two again, like it's now 4, I will then again bend it again and cut it into another 2. So this is what I did for the rest of the kinky before starting fixing it into my hair. And actually, this is the small size of, we have big size and we have small size. This is the small size of kinky, not the big size. So as I'm using that big size, I can cut it into, this one is cutting into 3 now. You can actually cut that one into 4, maybe 5. It's actually longer than the small one. So but if I'm going for the small one part is actually enough for you, and you can cut it exactly I cut it, because after everything we are still, even if it's possible for you to cut it into 5 places, as far as it won't disturb you when you are fixing it into your hair. Like, it will be convenient for you are fixing it into your hair. You can actually cut it into 5, because by the end of the day, you are still going to trim everything out. Like, you are still going to trim all out. So it's better to just cut it into the smaller sizes, so that you won't waste it one. And some people actually make it long a little, so that it will be easy to crochet it. So you like to use crochet on it. So this is when I was fixing. You can see the hair is not really short and is not long at all. So this is how I actually crochet it after doing the front side. No, I said I made 2 weaving at the front side because I don't have front hair, and then weave the rest to the back. So this is how I did it. I actually did it in a crochet way. You know, if you buy a crochet weave or a crochet thread anyhow, you have a crochet hair. You know the way they fix it into hair, like they fix it into normal hair. Like it's not the one style, like yeah, even the way they fix it into braids. Like I don't understand. I don't think you understand what I'm saying. You know, there's no O here. It doesn't have O. You just have to bend the hair like into 2 equal parts, and you fix the middle inside the hair. Hey Jesus, how am I going to explain this to you? You fix the pin. You first fix the pin inside your hair. Use it to draw the kinky, and then you knot it. If you've been watching crochet video, you actually understand. Even if you have been watching my videos, you actually understand. Even ventilating videos, you actually understand what I'm saying. So this is when I was done. I don't know what I was looking like. I'm looking like God forbid. Because I don't want to understand myself here. You can see I don't have front hair. So this is when I was done fixing everything. Like you can see how the front is actually accurate. Like, and then again, if you want this hair to be very full, you have to make it. If you are fixing it, you have to fix it on your hair so that it will be full. Like you have to fix that kinky much on your hair. If you want it really full to cover all the spaces, you have to actually fix it. Fix a lot of kinky on your head so it will give you that look. So because I don't have front hair and I don't want to be doing this style, like bringing the hair to the front and applying got to be, so I decided to first apply that got to be on my head and put this on hair, like some of the kinky hair that remains that I still have. And you can even trim your hair and put, so you can even, after trimming the hair itself, you can use the hair you've trimmed to actually replace this side. So I just have to, and if you're applying it, don't make it much, because I actually want this thing to look like my exact hair, because people know I don't have hair at the front. So you know this style is actually a low cut style hair, so people actually know I don't have hair at the front. So I didn't fix a lot of hairs there so that it will actually look natural like my own hair. So that's I attach I put this scarf on it. I actually use this scarf to pin it down, and then I use some hair dryer to dry it off. You can see how the hair is actually looking. Like I was like, am I getting this thing right? As in, what is this? So I just have to trim it. I use my hand to adjust some parts, and then again when I see that it's not really full, I added some of the hairs to it, like the side and the middle side. So I just have to trim it so that it won't actually look like it won't look like, I don't know what to say, it won't look obvious. So this is when I was done, guys. When I was done with the hair, guys, this is how it is looking when I was done with it. This is how it's actually looking. It's actually looking like me cutting my hair because I don't have hair at the front. So if I actually put some hair at the front, it will be very obvious for people to know that I fixed the hair, because people know I don't have front hair. So this is how the back side is looking. And this is the logic for this back side. Like I didn't put, I did not gum the back side. Yes, I didn't gum the back side, but I just make sure that the hair at the back is covering the back spaces. I make sure the hair at the back is covering the back space. You can see it's very natural. Nobody, oh yeah, tell me this is a weave on. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.